Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking find the volume of the curve bounded by y is equal to x, y is equal to x square, and this one rotates around the y-axis. And let's see how we can find this one. So let's draw the graph first. Okay, first of all, we have the graph right here. And if you see y is equal to x is going to be a line. So let's draw a line right here. And also y is equal to x square is a parabola opening up, so this is gonna be something like this, right? So this is what the shape of this graph. Now we have to pick up a point and draw a rectangle, so let's draw it right here, and we are going to use the equation that v is equal to 2 phi integral of rx hx dx. So this is what we use to find the volume. Here rx means the distance from the y-axis to this rectangle. So here from here to here it's going to be r. Also we can say this distance is x, and this is going to be right here. And then we have to find the height. Height is going to be simply h right here, this one. But this is equal to y. We have to write this one in terms of x. So what we do here, this line is y is equal to x, right? Y is equal to x, and this parabola is y is equal to x square. So to find this value, we simply subtract the top part from the bottom parts. So here it's going to be h is going to be f minus g, that is equal to x minus x square. So this is our h. Now we have everything in terms of x, because when we rotate this one into y-axis, we have to write everything in terms of x. So we have everything in terms of x, we have h in terms of x, r is also equal to x. Now we can substitute these values in this equation. V is equal to 2 phi integral of, and we have to know the minimum and maximum point. To find that one, what we do, we simply take the values of these two graphs. So the top graph is y is equal to x, so I put the x right here, and the bottom graph, that is a parabola, y is equal to x square. So I equate this one with x square and see what the value we get, right? So here if I bring the x to the other side, this is going to be 0, x square minus x. I can take the x common right here, so this is going to be x common, x minus 1 equal to 0. Then here from this one I can derive that x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So we have the minimum and the maximum. So this is going to be my integral values. So this is going from 0 to 1, and rx is equal to x. So I can plug that one right here. Hx we found out that's x minus x square. So I can multiply that one this one. So this is going to be x minus x square times x dx. Then we have 2 phi in front of this one. So let's multiply this one and simplify more. So this is going to be v is equal to 2 phi integral of 0 to 1 x square minus x cube all together dx. Now this one is easy to integrate. It's going to be 2 phi x cube over 3 minus x power 4 divided by 4 dx. No more dx because we took the integration out, so this is going to be now 0 to 1. So this is going from 0 to 1. So let's substitute the 1 for the x values. So if I substitute 1 for x values, this is going to be 1 cube, so we can write it as 1 over 3 minus 1 power 4 is going to be 1 over 4. And if I substitute 0 for x values, the whole thing will become 0. So we can simply subtract 0 from this one, and that doesn't change anything. So then we can take the common denominator of this one. This is going to be 4 times 3, that's going to be 12. If I take 12, this is going to be 4 on top. So 4 minus 3 times 2 phi, and that's going to give us 2 phi times, this is going to be 1 over 12. So 2 phi over 12, that is equal to 5 over 6, and that is our volume. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.